Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How do you feel today? My anticipation is well by the grace of Almighty Allah. All of you are welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Abir Hossain Khan, assistant teacher in mathematics at day shift of National Ideal English Version School. Today I'm gonna take a mathematics class for class 1, and our today's lecture 25 and HW is 19, and our today's topic is division part 1. And you have to submit the HW. Now let's go to start our class. Look, here is a division 35, 7, 25, 5, 16 and 4. My dear students, suppose there are 6 cookies. Suppose there are 6 cookies. You have to divide these cookies into 3 persons A, B and C. If you give first cookies to the first person, then the second cookies to the second person, third cookies to the third person, then fourth cookies again first person, fifth cookies second person, sixth cookies third person. There is no cookies, and we have equally divided 6 cookies among 3 persons. So division is called dividing something equally, but we have 3 cookies and we have to divide these 3 cookies among 2 persons. Then similarly you have to give first cookies to first person, second cookies to second person. Look, my dear students, there is another one which is called extra cookies, and it is called remainder. So normally we can say division is the way to divide something equally, but we can use this process to divide among some person with some extra. Now look, my dear students, this is the division sign. In this place, which number will be written here is called dividend, and in this place which number is written is called divisor, and here is quotient which is called the answer, and after dividing we can get here something and which is called remainder. You have to memorize the times table to divide. Now first of all, look here, 35 is dividend and 7 is the divisor. How many times 7 goes to 35? You have to memorize the times table of 7. We know that 7 5s are 35. So here it will be 5 and 7 5s are 35. Then subtract 35 from 35, there is no remainder. So the answer is quotient 5 and remainder 0. Now the next one, 25 divide 5. So again you have to memorize the times table of 5. We know that 5 5s are 25. So here it will be 5 and 5 5s are 25. There is also no remainder. So the answer is quotient 5 and remainder 0. Then the number 3, 16 divide 4. 16 divide 4, again you have to memorize the times tables of 4. We know that 4 4s are 16, So here it will be 4 and here it is 16. Now subtract 16 from 16, it will be 0. So the answer is quotient 4 and remainder 0. Hope my dear student you understood this one. You have to submit the HW in school campus. Take care of yourself. See you soon and till then Allah Hafiz.